Industrial machines are gradually replacing human labor in the production process of heavy industries such as logging. The use of human labor in this industry not only consumes labor resources, but also affects human health. Therefore, one of the difficult and laborious tasks in the logging industry is wood splitting. Wood splitting machines have been invented to solve this problem. To understand more about how it works, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Before the invention of the wood splitter, splitting wood was a physically demanding and time-consuming task. The craftsmen had to use their hands to hold an axe and split the wood by hand, which posed many risks and dangers. This not only took a lot of time but also caused many injuries and health problems for the craftsmen. However, the invention of the wood splitter has effectively solved this problem. The wood splitter is an automatic device equipped with sharp splitting blades that can split wood much faster and more efficiently than manual slitting. Additionally, the machine reduces the risk of workplace accidents and increases the labor productivity of the craftsman. Each piece of wood is placed on the wood splitter system by the craftsman using a sharp and sturdy head, and then quickly split into small pieces of wood. The craftsman does not need to use too much force but can still complete their work quickly and efficiently with the help of this mini wood splitter. A wood splitter is a specialized equipment used in the wood processing industry. It is designed to split wooden planks into smaller pieces, making the processing and production process easier and more efficient. The parts of a wood splitter are designed to operate continuously and accurately. One of the most important parts of a wood splitter is the cutting blade. The cutting blade is used to split wooden planks into smaller pieces. The cutting blade must be made of high-quality material and sharpened to ensure accurate and quick cutting. The machine is powered by a motor system at the back, and with a simple button press, the splitting head is activated to rotate at high power and split the wooden blocks. The next part of the wood splitter is the wooden splitting table. The structure of the table is designed to be sturdy with 4 fixed legs. When each wooden block is placed on the table, it will be in a balanced position to quickly feed it into the splitting head. The splitting table also helps to maintain the balance of the wood during the splitting process, avoiding errors that may affect the worker. Each sharp twisting line of the splitting head is designed like a spiral shell with a sharp tip, and with its size, it can easily drill and split each wooden block into small pieces. These log splitters are used to produce firewood for heating stoves, firewood for boilers, firewood for brick kilns, and firewood for incinerators. In addition, fixed-head log splitters are also used to split various types of crops, providing a large amount of firewood for the gas industry. The machine is a very different and time-saving device. It helps reduce labor costs and production time, while improving performance and productivity. Additionally, fixed-head log splitters also minimize environmental impact as they help reduce waste and use resources efficiently. Especially with a fixed head splitter, it will reduce the risk during the worker's operation. Fixing the head splitter helps the worker make adjustments to wood splitting process as desired and avoid collisions during work. In daily life, firewood has many important applications for humans. Firewood is used as a primary source of fuel for starting fires and heating food during camping trips or in homes without electricity. In addition, firewood is also used to produce charcoal, a raw fuel used for burning in power plants, steel mills, or pottery kilns. Charcoal is a fairly common energy source with reasonable prices compared to other fuels. In rural areas, firewood is still widely used. It is precisely because of this increasing demands of modern life that the wood splitter machine was invented, replacing human labor to produce results quickly and efficiently. With sophisticated designs and powerful engines, each sharp blade splits the wood into the desired sizes according to the user's needs. Currently, the wood splitter machine has been widely applied in many fields of wood processing and manufacturing. Thanks to its convenience and high efficiency, the wood splitter machine has become an important part of wood processing industry and contributes to the economic development of many countries. It helps to solve the problem of labor utilization in heavy industries. We hope you understand the great features of this machine and the conveniences it brings. To see more interesting videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and see you again.